Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorials. Today, we're going to dive into a practical scenario, how to look up an employee's department while flagging new hires. Here we have a table with employee names, start dates, and department codes. We want to populate the department names while flagging new hires. Let's break down the formula in cell E1. Type the formula. Type equal to. Type if. Open bracket. Type year. Open bracket. Type today. Open bracket. Close bracket. Close bracket. Minus year. Open bracket. VLOOKUP. Open bracket. A2. Comma. Range. A2 to be 11, press F4. Comma. Type 2. Comma. False close bracket. Close bracket. Less than sign. Equal to. 1. Comma. Inverted comma start. Type new hire. Inverted comma close. Comma. VLOOKUP. Open bracket. A2 comma. Range A2 to D11. Press F4. Comma. Type 3. Comma. False. Close bracket. Close bracket. After the type the formula. Press Enter key for answer. Employee department lookup with new hire flag. We use the if function to check if the difference between today's date and the employee's start date is less than or equal to 1 year. If it is, we display new hire. Otherwise, we use VLOOKUP to fetch the department name based on the employee's name. Now, double-click with hand fill for all employees. As you can see, the status column now displays either new hire or the respective department name for each employee. And that's how you can efficiently look up an employee's department while identifying new hires in Excel. Remember to adjust the cell ranges according to your data. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Excel tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for updates. See you next time.